dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? When the party was nice, the party was bumpin'. Yippee-yi-yo. And everybody having a ball. Yippee-yi-yo. Until the fella stopped the name.
Does this look familiar? It should. It's called a fraction, and it's what we're going to be talking about today. You're right. But you may be thinking, what do these fractions have to do with those cute puppies? Ginger, you can keep relaxing because we're not quite ready for y'all yet. First, we have to learn what we can do with fractions. This is a fraction like the one we saw earlier. But now we're going to see what we can do with these fractions. Fractions can be shown as a decimal. How do you think we can do this? All you have to do is divide the two numbers to get a decimal. But wait, which number goes inside the box and which number stays outside? I think it's time to call on our puppies, Bruce, Ginger, and Oreo, to help us figure out how we go from a fraction to division. When dividing fractions, have no fear. It's as easy as hanging out and falling asleep, like Oreo and Ginger are doing. Think of it this way. One number, or dog, is on top of the other number, or dog. All we have to do is think, which dog is the top dog? Which dog, in this case, do you think is the top dog? Ginger may be the bigger dog, but Oreo is on top. Therefore, he's the top dog. Let's look back at our original fraction. You'll notice that the top number, or the numerator, is represented by Oreo, and the bottom number, or the denominator, is represented by Ginger. Which dog is our top dog? Oreo is the top dog because his number is on the top part of the fraction. The top dog, or top number, therefore needs to go into his house, or the box of our fraction, leaving the bottom dog on the outside. Notice how our top number was our top dog and went into its house. Our bottom number stayed on the outside. The top dog, or top number, always goes into his house. Let's use our top dog method to divide 1 over 2. Uh-oh, I changed the dogs. This time, Bruce is our top dog, or top number, and Oreo is our bottom dog, or bottom number. Which dog needs to go into his dog house? Bruce or Oreo? All you have to think about is which dog is the top dog, because the top dog goes in his dog house. You're right. Since Bruce was on the top, he was our top dog, and he went into his house. Oreo was the bottom dog, so he stayed on the outside. Remember, the top dog goes into the doghouse. Now let's look at our final example, 3 divided by 4. Which number is our top number, or top dog? Is it the 3 represented by Ginger, or the 4, represented by Bruce? Which number is the top number? Which dog is the top dog? You're right. Ginger is our top dog, so she goes in her dog house. Bruce was the bottom dog, or the denominator, so he stays on the outside. Now we know that dividing fractions is as easy as that the top dog always goes into his house.